Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JMIN examination. This question came on 27th August 2021 in shifts 1. So let us see this question first. Question says 5 identical cells, each of internal resistance 1 ohm and EMF 5 volt are connected in series and in parallel with an external resistance R, which have been given to you. Okay, so that means you have been given a 5 identical cells which is having internal resistance of 1 ohm and each having the EMF of 5 volt. Initially it was connected in series, then it was connected in parallel and through an external resistance of R. So for what value of R, current in the series and parallel combination will remain same. Okay, so we'll visualize this question and try to make a diagram out of it. Suppose this is an external resistance R and 5 identical cells which have been connected in series. So that means the situation would be just like this. Since they are in series, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this much of resistance would be there, and since they are in series, so their internal resistance, which is of 1 ohm, will be added up. So effective resistance of these internal resistance would be 5 ohm. Okay, so this is the series combination. Now the effective voltage would also be added up, because since they are in series, so that means each having a potential of 5 volts, so it would be 25 volts. So it will behave like a single cell which is having a potential of 5 volt or 25 volt. Okay, and it is connected across an external circuit just like this. So the internal resistance and the effective resistance across its terminal must be equal to R plus 5 since they are in series. So what would be the current supplied by the combination? So this must be equal to I is equal to V by R. So what is V over here? 25. And what about R? R is R plus again 5. Okay, since these are in series. Now if it is connected in parallel, so in the parallel combination, we'll try to make a diagram, and this is the resistance R. Again it would be just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, each having a potential of 5 and resistance of 1. Okay, now we already know the effective potential that of these parallel combination can be easily given by relationship. E effective is given by relationship E1 R1 plus E2 R2 plus so on divided by 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus so on. Okay, if n number of the cells each are having some internal resistance R1, R2 and R3 and R4 and so on, if they are connected in parallel combinations, so the effective capacitance, a single cell which will replace all this combination, would be given by this relationship. Okay, so if I'll put the values and find out the effective resistance, what is E1 over here? It is 5 by 1. Again E2 would be 5 by 1. So you have 5 number of the combination, so that it would be equivalent to 5 by 1 multiplied by 5 divided by 1 upon R. So 1 upon 1, which is nothing but 1, and how many times it is there? Into 5. Okay, 1 upon 1. So the effective resistance is 1 upon R1. R1 is 1. 1 upon R2. R2 is 1. Again, so in totality 5 resistance are there, so this would be the effective combination. So it would be equal to 25 by 5, which is nothing but 5 volt. So that means if I'll take a single cell whose potential is 5 volt, that will be replaced by all these combinations. Again, one more thing is there, the internal resistance would also be added up with this combination. So the internal resistance, the effective internal resistance is given by relationship 1 upon R equivalent must be equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 and so on. Okay, so it is nothing but the parallel combinations. So you can easily find out the effective resistance by using the relationship of parallel combinations. Okay, so it would be equivalent to 1 upon R equivalent would be equivalent to 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 and so on. So the R equivalent must be equal to 1 upon R equivalent must be equal to 5 times of 1 upon 1, so which is nothing but 5. So equivalent resistance is given by 1 by 5. Don't you think? So this is the equivalent resistance you'll be getting in the parallel combination. So now we'll be redrawing this structure again so that we can solve this problem. Now the combination would be like a resistor R in connection with a cell whose effective resistance is 5 volt and the effective resistance is 1 upon 5 ohm. Okay. Now in this combination also, the whole circuit will supply the current to this external resistance R. So this I must be equal to V by R. What is V over here? V is 5 volt. And what about R? R is capital R plus 1 by 5. Because again, these two would be in series. The question is, these two current are same. Okay, now we'll equate these two and easily find out the value of R. Okay, so let me just grab all these things. So we say that 25 by R plus 5 must be equal to 5 by, this is 5R plus 1, 5 go over there, so you'll get 25. So this 25 will cancel out each other, so R5 is equal to 5R plus 1. Okay, so 4 must be equal to 4R. From this, R comes out to be 1 ohm. Okay, so the answer would be your first, which is 1 ohm. I hope this question is also clear to you, and it requires some lengthy calculation, but it is quite easier to solve. Okay, thank you.